friends, it is the end of November and I'm ready to share with you my November thrift store finds. I've saved back a few things, one thing to upcycle later, and next week is the Christmas Goodwill Challenge, and that's always a lot of fun, and so I've got a couple things to share with you in that challenge next week. I want to get started with these things right here. They're called Fun Chairs. They're made by Fun Noodle. It's the original noodle chair. We have a big swimming pool in the back, and you just take this and you buy those noodles and you can create these floating chairs. And I live fairly close to two Goodwills, and they must, divvy the stuff up when they get it, because I bought two at one store and one at the other. And I looked it up, and these are about $10 each, and I got them for 99 cents each. So a good deal. Put them up for the summer. I picked up, they only had one, and that's all I really wanted. Set a candle on or a tray or something, but I just love the vintage print of this birds. This color right here kind of matches my front living room, and the birds is definitely what attracted me. The scalloped placemat for 59 cents. Picked up a brand new pack of twist up crayons. These are normally at least a couple dollars at the store, and I got it for 59 cents. With it being a brand new package, I'll probably stick it in one of the grandkids' stockings. With plaid being so popular, this was a brand new little hot pad. Thought it was so cute. I'll hang from my kitchen cabinet. And my Christmas tree this year, I'm still working on it. I've got it up and half decorated, but I came across these brand new little rustic Christmas craft kits. One is a little Santa and the other one is like a little reindeer. And I just love the rustic look of it, and each kit was 99 cents. And so I'm going to work on that this week. All the little supplies are in it, and so I'm looking forward to that. I found this little thing. It's a little candle saucer and the shade to go with it. This will be really cute come July of next summer to stick out on the patio or something with a candle. I've already been into this. This is a Tractor Supply wax melt. It's called Sweet Apple Pie. Smells really good. Got this for 59 cents, and I'll enjoy that this month. I got this whole bag. With my Christmas tree being kind of a rustic theme this year, I found a gallon baggie of berries and some of these quilt-like snowflakes. I thought they were so pretty. I'm not going to keep them silver. I'm probably going to spray paint these a rustic color and hang some ribbon and jazz them up a little bit, and these little beaded ornaments. But I got the whole bag for $1.99. I'll look forward to putting those on my tree. I picked up this little eucalyptus bush. It's brand new with a Hobby Lobby tag on it of $7.99. You would normally get this for $5 or $6 at Hobby Lobby, but I paid $1.99. And so this will be great any time of year. I can stick in a white pitcher or do something with. Very farmhouse for a bargain price. And last but not least, I shared this on my craft night, if you follow me. This adorable, humongous Santa flag with a big poofy nose, so cute, for like $1 at an estate sale. So short and sweet, a few little goodies I found this month. November, December is usually my smallest of thrift hauls, just because I'm so busy shopping for Christmas and whatnot. But I want to show you what some of the great things you can find thrifting. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll share my Goodwill challenge next week. Bye bye.